But now look at the bird eating the lizard. 2 seconds ago, it was right there. Stuck it in those little barbed wire thingies. I scared it a little and it flew up there. It's going to need to eat it. If you look really closely, it just stuck the lizard inside a thorn branch thing. Sharp little twig. I think we got something here. Wouldn't you think so? And let's see if I can try to get the lizard. There. Oh, it's a rat! Thank you. And there's our friend. Food. Friend. Food. Friend. There's the tree. Hi, tree. Rat. Me. Rat. Bird. Me. Okay, enough of that. Goodbye, friend.